Been 1 week since somebody was found alive. Think about that in the aftermath of the devastating floods. If you've been watching the numbers as we have, the number of missing specifically, it has barely moved. And yeah, we're all kind of wondering the same thing. And that same thought goes for our Trevor Sahaki as well.
He actually got a ride along with a McKinney nonprofit helping with the backbreaking work.
Giant debris fields like the one that we are in right now along the Guadalupe River. These stretch for acres and miles along the banks of the river. The river is peaceful right now, but you can see the destruction that it wreaked all over this RV park here, leaving piles of debris just like this one over here that crews have to search through and sort through and look for any kind of sign of life. And it's not just trees and dirt and soil and branches, but also trash and junk and iron and steel that the water absolutely tore apart. This shows you the strength of the water as it rushed through the floods a week ago, tearing up what was strong metal before and rendering campers like this absolutely uninhabitable. The water came through and tore up all of this, and now crews are left to search through the damage, which could take a very long time. These are long days in Ingram and Hunt as crews search for flood victims.
And it's just a slow, meticulous task. It's very meticulous, the way these debris is being taken apart and examined carefully. So it's a time-consuming process.
And Minuteman Disaster Response is part of that process.
You know, I've been doing this for a number of years now, and I've seen a lot of destruction, hurricanes and otherwise.
The McKinney nonprofit brought 8 guys to the hill country.
This is probably the most concentrated and most violent of anything that I've seen, with homes completely removed, the bark stripped off of trees, cars just completely demolished.
Eric Burks gave us an inside look at the conditions his team is facing, driving in mud, over branches, and through water. As you're driving in Hunt and Ingram, you can see just the extent of damage out your window. Just trees toppled, personal belongings outside. Everywhere you go, there is debris. This just shows you how much work there is left to be done in these areas. This is clear. It's not going to take days. It's not going to take weeks. This kind of work is going to take months to clean up everything here in Hill Country. Volunteers are on their hands and knees at times, carefully sifting through everything. Minuteman is working with dog teams to find victims.
If they get a hit, then we're taking those debris fields apart with the skid steer and the chainsaws so that they can do a closer examination and make sure that there's no remains in there.
Well, they haven't found anyone yet. There is still a lot of land left.
Really, it's just almost hard to comprehend the velocity and of the water that did the damage.
Again, the Guadalupe River behind me, calm right now, but the destruction that it wreaked just a week ago was absolutely tremendous. A complicating factor for the crews, the weather here. There's been some rain, there's been some downpours at times that have turned some of this dirt and some of this debris into mud. Trucks and tractors and everything that they've been using has been getting stuck in some of that mud. That's been a little bit tricky, but as it continues to dry out, they will continue this hard work. Many crews, like the Minuteman Disaster Response Team, they meant to only stay for a few days. They've stayed for much, much longer given the amount of help that is needed here. And if you'd like to help out the Minuteman, you can go to their website to donate and learn more. In Center Point, Trevor Sahaki, CBS News, Texas.